Hello and welcome. We are with Marizon Loreto, the Regional Director of the Department of Trade and Commerce of Philippines. Thank you so much for joining us. What can you emulate from the Indian industrial cluster model in the Philippines?
Well, basically, Indian industry clusters are more advanced than we are, and I think the technology is also advanced, and we hope that we will really be doing a lot of interactions, and at the same time, the sharing of experiences and knowledge, particularly in implementing industry clusters in our country.
Where do you think you're facing challenges as far as development of industry clusters is concerned?
Well, basically, the industry clustering in the Philippines have been started. Particularly, I'm talking about the government initiative, and the role of government here in developing the industry cluster was really more on being an enabling sector, supporting the different industry clusters, particularly the initiatives of the private sector. But we need to still strengthen the different industry clusters that we have at the moment, and we hope that we will be getting all the players in the supply chain that we're looking at the moment in all of these clusters, so that we can strengthen more the different industry clusters. So technology innovation is also one of the areas that we're looking at, and we hope that we can really partner with successful cluster stakeholders, successful countries implementing the industry clusters.
So would India be in that list of?
Sure, definitely. As I mentioned, I think last year or early this year, there was this group coming from our agency who came to India to really learn about the coconut industry cluster.
Okay. What about trade between the Philippines and India? How strong are trade relations between India and Philippines, and how can both the countries develop these further?
Well, basically, I think the Philippines is an importer also of some products of India, but definitely the Philippines can also, we have a lot of export commodities as well that we hope to also link up with India.
Can you name some of those commodities?
Well, right now I'm sorry, but I don't have the figures with me, so I cannot. Sorry for that.
Okay. From your point of view, what does India as a market look like to you?
Well, very promising, and you have also a lot of tremendous good quality products, which we hope we can also look into.
Have you seen Indian clusters showing interest in collaborating with you?
At the moment, I'm sorry, not yet. But yeah, I think it's more on the technology as well as the machinery component, because I think there's really a need for us to have this kind of strong linkage with the successful countries like India doing industry clusters.
Okay, the Philippines has a very large agricultural sector.
It is, yes.
And India in that sense also has a very large agricultural sector, which we are trying to develop now.
Yeah.
So how can both the countries learn from each other?
Well, from the technology that you have, and at the same time the practices that we also have in the Philippines, maybe we can always have this kind of exchange of information and technology. And we hope that through that way we will really be able to also learn and really gain from the experiences of both countries.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you also. Thank you.